Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to send Bitcoin using Cash App. Firstly, launch Cash App on your smartphone and enter your PIN, fingerprint or use any security method you've set up. Once logged in, you'll be on the home screen. Tap the dollars or USD symbol at the bottom of the screen. This will allow you to switch from USD to Bitcoin mode. Look and tap Send Bitcoin. On some app versions, this might be under More Options or shown as a Send button at the bottom. Now, type your recipient's information, which can be a cash tag, a Bitcoin address, or their email or phone number. Choose how much Bitcoin you want to send. You can enter the amount in BTC or USD. Cash App will convert it at the current market rate. So, before finalizing, review the recipient's address and amount one last time. If there are any fees, they'll be displayed before you confirm. Just tap Pay to complete the transaction. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.